What up, HVAC people? Hey, here's something worth thinking about. In every era, people go looking for the secret. They thought it was the factory, they thought it was the internet, and today, in 2026, they think it's artificial intelligence, AI. They believe whoever has the smartest agent will win. But the oldest truth in the world still stands today, and it has not been replaced by a single line of code. We become what we think about. The agent does not change that law. The agent obeys it. You sit down at this remarkable tool, and it gives you a reflection of what you brought it. Bring it small questions, and it hands you small answers. Bring it a worthy goal, a clear picture of where you intend to go, and it becomes the most powerful servant a person has ever had. See, most people will use this new power to avoid thinking. That is the most dangerous thing of our time. It has never been easier to let something else do the wondering for you. And the person who stops thinking stops growing. But a few, the same few as always, will use it differently. They will use it to think more, not less. They will plant a seed of a goal in their mind every morning, every day, and let this new tool help them carry it. They will still decide who they want to become. No agent can decide that for you. So here's the secret. You are not in competition with the agents. You are in competition with the person you were yesterday. Hold that picture where you're going. Feed your mind the way you feed good soil. And watch what the harvest brings. We become what we think about, even now, especially now.